Welcome to our fashion channel. Today, we're diving into the latest fashion trends and sharing some amazing styling tips and tricks. Fashion is ever evolving, and staying updated can be a fun way to express yourself and keep your wardrobe fresh. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the top trends this season. Bold colors, bright, vibrant hues are making a comeback. Think neon greens, bold pinks, and electric blues. Vintage revival. Retro styles from the 70s and 90s are everywhere. From flared jeans to oversized blazers, it's all about mixing modern with vintage. Sustainable fashion, eco-friendly fabrics, and ethical brands are gaining popularity. Look for pieces made from recycled materials. Statement accessories. Big, bold accessories are in. Oversized sunglasses, chunky jewelry, and statement bags can transform any outfit. Athleisure. Comfort meets style with athleisure. Think stylish sweatpants, chic hoodies, and sporty sneakers that you can wear both in and out of the gym. Layering. Creative layering is key this season. Try combining different textures and patterns for a unique look. These trends are being rocked by celebrities and influencers everywhere, making them easy to adapt into your own style. Now, let's move on to some styling tips and tricks to help you incorporate these trends into your everyday wardrobe. Bold colors. Don't be afraid to mix and match bold colors. A neon top can be paired with neutral bottoms to balance the look. Vintage revival. Blend vintage pieces with modern ones. Pair flared jeans with a contemporary blouse or an oversized blazer with skinny jeans. Sustainable fashion. Look for versatile pieces that you can wear in multiple ways. A simple dress can be dressed up with heels or dressed down with sneakers. Statement accessories. Use accessories to add a pop to a simple outfit. A plain dress can be transformed with a chunky necklace or bold earrings. Athleisure. Combine comfort and style by pairing sporty pieces with more formal ones. For example, wear a hoodie with a blazer or track pants with a chic top. Layering. Experiment with layers. Try a turtleneck under a dress or a long cardigan over a fitted top. Mixing textures like silk, wool, and denim can add depth to your outfit. Remember, fashion is about expressing yourself. Don't be afraid to try new things and make trends your own. That's it for today's video.